Hi there, I'm Alex Holdsworth and I'm the EMEA Regional Product Manager for Industrial Printers at Zebra. Honeywell recently announced on their website that several of their Datamax printers will be going end of sale in December 2021. In this video, we're going to be looking at why you should migrate from the Honeywell Datamax I-Class Mark II to the industry-leading ZT411. We're going to be comparing the printers side by side so you can directly see why it's worth migrating to Zebra. One of the new features introduced on the ZT411 is the 4.3-inch colour touch display, making it easier to see printer status, customise graphics, and seek support via setup wizards and animations. The I-Class has a smaller 3.5-inch monochrome LCD display where it's not possible to see colour-coded printer status from a distance or watch animations, making troubleshooting a longer process in many instances. The ZT411 has an LED which lights up the supplies area. This is ideal when you want to load the printer in a dusty or dark environment, helping avoid error states by incorrectly loading the supplies. The Honeywell I-Class does not have a lighted loading path, meaning loading in suboptimal environments becomes a lot more challenging. The ZT411 has a bifold door which allows the printer to be opened for loading with little to no empty space needed next to the printer. This is ideal for applications where space is at a premium. The I-Class only has a sheet metal door with a window, meaning more space is needed to open and load the printer. Printing labels efficiently is one of the key objectives of an industrial printer, and the ZT411 has a faster print speed at 203 dpi. The ZT411 is capable of 14 IPS, opposed to the I-Class which is only capable of 12 IPS. Additionally, the ZT411 has 8 times more RAM and flash memory than the I-Class as standard straight out of the box. This additional memory is ideal when you need more space to support more stored formats, fonts and graphics. As end users are looking to future-proof their printers, these additional megabytes will be critical when running memory-intensive applications. Bluetooth is a key communication technology that can help your printer communicate with other devices whilst helping eliminate the need for wires in a secure way. The ZT411 offers Bluetooth as standard, whilst Bluetooth is not even an option on the I-Class. The ZT411 also offers Ethernet as standard, which allows multiple computer users to access the printer quickly, as it connects directly to the computer network. The I-Class only offers Ethernet connectivity as an option. USB host ports allow the printer to operate in a true standalone fashion, with both a scanner and a keyboard connected to the printer right out the box. The ZT411 comes standard with dual USB host ports, whilst the I-Class only offers 2 USB hosts as an option. When an end user desires 6-inch printing, Zebra can offer the ZT411. The I-Class does not offer a 6-inch version, meaning end users that require both 4 and 6-inch printing will have to purchase a mixed print fleet. On the ZT411, you have the option of purchasing an RFID version of the printer, or upgrading a standard model via a field installable kit that takes less than 10 minutes to install. Both regular and thicker on-metal RFID tags can be printed, and RFID is not supported on the I-Class. The ZT411 was introduced in 2019 and we plan to sell and service it for the foreseeable future, making it an ideal migration option when transitioning away from the I-Class. You also have access to Zebra's powerful Print DNA suite of applications, utilities and developer tools. If you require any further information about the ZT411 or Print DNA, please visit zebra.com or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.